Hi dears, today's video is nothing but a quick and easy recipe made with leftover idlis. If you're bored with normal idlis, you can try this. To start with, I'm going to heat up some clarified butter. This is about 1 tablespoon of clarified butter I'm using. Into that, I'm adding idly cubes. I've taken 5 idlis and I cut that into small cubes. Now I'm going to lightly fry this in the clarified butter. Now the clarified butter is evenly coated and the idlis looks lightly fried. I'm going to remove it from heat and keep it aside. Do not over fry the idlis, otherwise it will become very dry. Now into the same pan I'm going to add a little bit more clarified butter and add about 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1/2 teaspoon of urdu dal into this. Once the mustard crackles and the urdu dal become aromatic, I'm going to add finely chopped green chilies and some finely chopped red onions into this. Now saute the onion until it becomes translucent. Into that I'm adding 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and some chutney podi, which is a dry roasted powder of spices and lentils. Now fry it for a few more minutes until it becomes aromatic and the raw smell of the spices are gone. Now add some finely chopped coriander leaves into this and now mix it for a few more minutes. Now we can add the fried idlis. This is a ghee roasted idlis which I kept aside earlier. Mix it very well. Sprinkle some water if needed. I have sprinkled some water because it was a bit dry. I like it nice and moist. Now you can mix it nicely until everything is well combined. Now mix everything together until the masala is nicely coated on the idlis, and now masala fried idlis are ready. Now serve it with a nice cup of coffee and some chutney. I am having it with some Madras filtered coffee and some coconut chutney. Enjoy! If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel for more. See you soon.